Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 GMC Yukon SLE. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium powered bucket seats, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, adaptive cruise control, forward collision alert, trailer tow package, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with tons of extra paneling and storage on the bottom here. It's going to come equipped with your speakers. Then it'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows with the wooden chrome accents. You're also going to have these running boards here and the power adjustable jet black seats. Very comfortable. Left side, you'll have your vents and your parking brake, as well as your park assist, auto stop, and lane keep assist. And the left side, you'll have your four-wheel drive, and as well as your lighting control. Left side is steering wheel, you're going to have a cruise control and forward collision alert. And the right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. So it's going to be all digital here. Pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your tire pressure, your fuel economy, adaptive cruise there, brake pad life, your pitch and roll, as well as your music, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and other settings. Push to start, you're going to have the new shifter here. And of course, onto the infotainment system, like I said, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. With built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and podcasts. Down below, you're going to have your tri-zone climate control with your rear climate locker as well. And down below, you have two USB ports and a 12-volt DC port, some extra storage. And in the center console with two more USB ports. Passenger side's power adjustable as well. Same finish. Wooden chrome across the door and across the dash with Bose speakers up top. And here you can access your reading lamps as well as your OnStar and your SOS. You're going to have these 18-inch wheels on Radar Renegade all-terrain sport tires. Of course, GMC badging, paint match mirror caps, and keyless entry door handle. Luggage rack up top, deep tint rear glass. Seating here as well, not power adjustable. You just pull the tabs and they go right down. With those seats have to move up a little bit. But in the back here on each side, you're going to have cup holder and USB-C ports as well, and lamps. And in the back, you're also going to have an AC wall charger and extra storage down below. Very spacious room. And moving on to the rear interior, huge doors in the back, tons of extra paneling, storage and speakers right up next to the power locks and windows. Hop in the back seat, quite a bit of legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and USB-C, as well as an AC wall charger. Right in the center as well, cup holder and armrest, lamps and vents as well, and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 GMC Yukon SLE. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as trailer tow package, adaptive cruise control, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, forward collision alert, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm.